Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to properly cancel your Elementor Pro subscription as a plugin for your WordPress website from scratch. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So to actually do this is quite simple, and the idea here is we want to get access to the plugins tab where we get to configure and manage all of our installed plugins for our WordPress account. And to get there is quite simple. You simply want to log into your WordPress account as an administrator, and once you guys are on the dashboard, like where I'm at right now, you want to click on the plugins tab right here and select. You want to hover over it, and you'll be met with two options, being add a new plugin as well as installed plugins. So from here, you want to click on installed plugins, and it will take you to this new page where you get to edit all of your installed plugins. So as you guys can see, I have crowd signal forms, I have Jetpack, I have Gutenberg, I have layout grid, so on and so forth, the editing toolkit for WordPress, and I have Elementor. So assuming that you guys have the Pro plan installed as a plugin for your WordPress, all you have to do to cancel your subscription is simply click on deactivate. So the same would apply if this were Pro. It would say Elementor Pro, but it'd still have the same setting, or I should say the same option to deactivate the account. And by deactivating it, you're effectively canceling your plan as well as the Pro subscription. And that's honestly it. You just want to make sure to hit save, confirm, and you guys are done. You've successfully canceled the Pro subscription for your Elementor account through WordPress. So yeah, that's the video. So hopefully this video helped you guys out. And if it did, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. And if you guys want to see more videos like these, we do have a YouTube channel where we do guides like these daily. So if you guys want to show your support that, you can do so by subscribing to the channel. So with all of that said, thank you all for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.